One LED cabinet system. Multiple ways to build. This is the ePro series, designed for professional LED installations where flexibility, service access, and clean alignment matter. Its slim, compact cabinet profile helps the display integrate cleanly into a wide range of commercial and production environments. Install and service the display from either the front or rear, giving installers more options when space behind the wall is limited. Built-in alignment magnets help position each cabinet quickly and accurately, supporting a cleaner, more consistent installation. The same power box system supports both 500mm and 1000mm cabinets, and the two cabinet sizes can be combined to create custom display dimensions. The ePro can be configured as a traditional flat display, a curved installation, or a customized 90-degree corner. That flexibility makes it a strong option for commercial LED displays, XR stages, and virtual production environments. Planning an LED display? Contact Brightlink AV to discuss the right configuration for your project.